Alright, so this is the Beamer. Let's take her out. There's the S15. So let's bring that inside the shop and get it all worked on. Alright, let's move this thing now. I'll show you guys what we're doing today. It's a surprise. Let's start it up. Cold start. Well, it's not cold start, but let's get it, guys. So I'll show you guys. This is gonna be insane. You guys like how this wide body fits? Take a look at it, guys. So we got the car on the lift, and now I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing today. So yep, you guys know what this is. You already know. If you don't, stay tuned to find out. Take these pieces off. All right, guys, so those are the fenders. They look still wider than this, but I think I'm gonna run into a few issues with the side skirt. Not gonna fit on the front end of the car because of the big opening there. But I'm still gonna try them on and see how the car looks, so I can show you guys that this car is, with this kit, it looks way wider. It's not wide enough already. Let's get it. Alright guys, so she's all stripped down, ready to go for the front end at least and the side. So we still have to remove the rear quarters and then just mock up the new one, the other ones, to see how they look. Some tape or something. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the mock-up of what's coming, because we still need side skirts, and I already know that. So stay tuned, guys, and let's get the rest done. Make sure you like, subscribe, guys. Alright guys, so that's how she looks naked. Still has the rear bumper, but she's looking very rough. So let's start putting on the other kit and see how this looks. Let's get it. Alright guys, so that's how this thing looks on there. It's not wider than the other one, so I don't think I'm gonna be using this for the rears. It's definitely not wider. So I don't even like the looks. What do you guys think? Comment below. See if you guys want this kit on the car or the other kit. This has that little extra thing, makes it look wider from the back, but at the end of the day, the flares where the wheels fit, it don't work. So with that being said, Let's try the front. Alright guys, so the fenders are on. It does look fresh. I don't know how much I'm liking it though. What do you guys think? Comment below. See what you guys think about this kit. I'm running into a problem back here where I can't close this trunk without taking that wing off. All right, now we're gonna lower the car, bring it outside, see how it looks. Let's get it. We just lowered it. Yep, let's take it out. We still need, if I do run this kit, I'm still gonna need side skirts. So if I run this kit, I'm gonna need side skirts. All right, let's take her outside. Gotta be careful with these.
I started it.
Huh?
I started it.
We're already touching those fenders.
It still is down. The hell goes up.
I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Comment below. I still have to do modifications to the fender a little bit if I want to bring it down a little bit more. But I don't know. Comment below, see if you guys like this kit or the old kit. I personally like both, but we need side skirts for this one. So comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notifications for some more content and just cool videos. We do cool videos all the time. Sorry about my hair. It's a little messy. Tell them, bro, what they should do.
Like and subscribe, and yeah, like and subscribe, and
There you
put on
go.
the notification bell.
Hell yeah. Stay tuned, guys.